It's been a while. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you haven't forgotten about me. I mean, I wouldn't blame you if you did. But I am taking uni procrastination to the next level, and instead of doing my reading, which I probably should be doing, I just thought I want to get a bit creative and do my makeup. And I thought, why don't I actually video it this time and give myself some content as well at the same time. Kill two birds with one stone. Oh my god, I can see myself in my phone case. That is very distracting. Today we'll be using the Glam Bible palette, obviously, because it is now literally my Bible, although I have dropped it a few times, and mercy, because it's such a soft shade, and it's right at the end. Don't know if you can see, but it's like starting to like break, and I'm heartbroken. So I'm just like being really careful with it. I'm gonna start by just putting a bit of pore filling primer on the pores on my forehead, and I'm gonna set that with my NYX No Filter powder in the shade Honey Beige, and just take it on my Real Techniques contour brush and just patting where we put that primer. It just makes me feel like it creates a barrier between the primer and the foundation, so the foundation doesn't move the primer or slip it around or anything. Maybe I just need a better primer, but we gotta work with what we gotta work with. I'm taking my NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Syracuse, and I'm literally putting the tiniest little dollop on, and I'm just gonna dot that on my head. I'm just buffing that in real quick and real rough with my Real Techniques brush. And I'm going in with this bigger brush from my Morphe Copper Dreams collection. Well, not mine, but the one that I own. And just going in with that same powder and just setting it. Taking my Ideal brow pomade in dark brown. And this Morphe M165, which is like, I don't know if you can see it, like really thin and long. Then I'll kind of hold it at the end. And do my brow bone highlight first, and for this I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use the shade Beam, which is this shade here. It's such a beautiful, like literally I have never found a better brow bone highlight or even inner corner highlight than these two Jaclyn Hill shades. I'm gonna go with a little bit of Saviour and Veil, these two top ones here, the white and the brown. White because it'll tone the brown down a little bit, I don't want it that dark. Ooh. I'm just kind of... Okay, I want to take Unruly, and I'm literally just dipping it in like that. So there's nothing anywhere, just the top of the tip of my brush. As you can see, we've literally just been playing and blending with that shade. What I'm going to do is go in with a clean brush, just any brush, and just kind of diffuse the brown and the pink a little bit more together. The shade Oath, which is this dark brown here, and I'm just putting that right on the outer against my lash line. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Sacrifice, Good Fire and Unruly on this little brush, just to kind of calm the colours down a little bit. I think I've decided that I am now doing a cut crease. Right, so we have built up all of our colours. with my SK05, which is a flat concealer brush.
So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now,
Gonna go in with the shade 1996, which is this gold here. So I think I'm gonna go over the top of that with Myth, which is this lovely purple shade. Normally I do go over with Mercy, but I'm just gonna try something a little bit different. See now, I don't like that. And I should have stayed with Mercy. Yeah, the pink would have looked better. And now we have all three on the lid, but oh well, it's makeup. And just deepen this area up a little bit. And to do that, we're taking Sacrifice and Oath, which is the dark purple and the brown, and we're doing it ever so slightly. Right, so this is what we got. And now we're going to go in with some liner, and I'm taking my Maybelline Gel Studio Lasting Drama eyeliner, whatever, just, you know. This bullet end, pencil end of this brush, and drag the eyeliner out into the darkness. Ta-da! Right, so I got my lashes on. The Alio Most Wanted Gimme Gimme lashes, and honestly, these are probably the best eyelashes ever. Like, I just look at them, look at them, they're so cute. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna line our waterlines.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour.
Just ignore that situation on this side of my cheek. I'm actually going to go in with the Glam SK07, which is this brush here, and I prefer this for tight lining, I think. Go with that tiny little paintbrush that we used a minute ago. I think I'm going to take some of Mercy. Actually, can you see that? So I'm going to take some more of the eyeliner and I'm going to just drag it down just a little bit here. And I'm going to take that little tiny side, that flat side again, and I'm going to take unruly of that bullet brush, blend it in. Take a little bit of Oath and Sacrifice those two darker shades and put those on top. Oh, I like it, I like it. It's on this brush that we just kind of use to blend everything. Just gonna take Sacred Fire on Unruly and just try and add a little nice pink pop of colour. Right, so I'm using this Essence Stay True Lip Liner 16-hour waterproof one here, and it is the colour like that. These are so good. So we've got our little line. The Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick, and we've got it in the shade Love Bite, which is from the Christmas collection. That is what it is there, and that's almost perfect for that lip liner. So let's go. I think I'm gonna go for a gloss. So I have this Kiko Milano 3D Hydra Lip Gloss, and this one is in the shade 22, and this is what this looks like. It's beautiful. That is that. And we're just kind of gonna go for this as well.
70 reported by Dodge City Liberal, 72 by the good folks.
So, we've already sprayed the Fix Plus, and now it's time for the Urban Decay All Nighter, and then I think we're done. So, yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. I would have got changed and put a nice top on just to give you the illusion that I was going out, but I'm not, so we're sticking with the pink hoodie. But yeah, this is the look. I am so in love with it. I did something quite similar to this actually on my Instagram. If you scroll down a little bit, there's like one that looks like this. Get to like and subscribe and comment and everything down below. All of my information, my socials and everything is also in the description box, so be sure to check that out before you go. And that is it. So have a good day, good evening or good night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
25 miles an hour, barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation, we're about a ½ inch behind, correction, ½ inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar.